Welcome back, folks. I got this delivered Monday after I left for work. It's now Thursday, the April 30th. I'm thinking this was a scratch and dent one because box damaged here, all ripped up here, this end all ripped up, and the top has signs of damage as well. It's like it was either open once before. It took a hell of a beating at the factory. You could tell it's been retaped, so it was probably open once before. So open up, take a look and see what I got here. And you got the battery, no charge in it, so I have to charge it up first. SAE 30 bar and chain lubricant, which I use up, but I don't use. I use all season blend. No idea what this is. Well, this feels lightweight enough where it could be some type of oil. I'll check and see what it says in the manual. And so packing there. I'm thinking this was scratch and dent. The 80-volt charger, and it has a cooling fan to keep the battery cool when you're charging it, because those batteries do get pretty hot. And let's see, any other hidden things? And they put, nope. And let's see. I got a scrunch to use. Unless Greenworks hid a tool on me in here somewhere. Here it is. It's got the flat blade screwdriver. And for the nuts, I'll probably never use that. This looks like it's LP chain. Yeah, it is definitely 3/8 LP chain. That's how they help get this thing up to equal to a 45cc gasoline chainsaw. So, till next time, folks, take care and go out to build something. This is just a quick intro video. I'll be testing it out on the second big log over there. In the previous video, I ran the little 40-volt chainsaw to do the first half of that trunk, so you get a real good comparison idea of which one, the performance difference between the two.